Hi, this is Visit Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to add currency to your PayPal account. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go! Changing the currency of your PayPal account is a straightforward process, whether you are switching to a foreign currency or simply trying to update your domestic one. It can be done with just a few steps. So in this video, I'll show you how to do it. So first of all, of course, you have to open our PayPal. You can log in into your account. I will log into my PayPal account. Now I have logged into my account. Wait. Now from here, from your PayPal home, you can select on the three dots over here beside your balance. There is an option manage currencies. You can just select on that. And in here, on your PayPal balance, you can add a currency. You can select on add currency. You can add currency. For the example, I want to add currency for British pound. Select on add a currency. Now you have add currency to your PayPal account. You can select on done. So here, as you can see in here, the currency. You can also calculate currency because PayPal gives you a feature to currency your PayPal like this. It's very simple, right? So that is how to add currency to your PayPal account. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you!